Struggling with BMW BDC3 encrypted keys? Standard methods are not enough. In this video, we break down the ICP copy process and show how to handle BDC3 chips properly using ACDP and ACDP-2.
Use ACDP to copy the BMW BDC3 key encrypted chip in ICP. To use this new feature, please upgrade your ACDP software version 2. The ACDP PC software must be upgraded to version 1.0.64 or higher. The ACDP-2 PC software must be upgraded to version 2.08 or higher. The Android app must be upgraded to version 3.0.141 or higher. The iOS app must be upgraded to version 3.64 or higher to perform the operation. Disassemble the BDC3 key as shown in the figure. According to the help, please connect the ACDP BDC2/3 interface board with the original key properly, and switch the DIP button to the BDC3 side. Open ACDP app. Confirm in top right that a CDP programmer is bound. Click BMW. Click FEMBDC. Click IMMO mileage. Click BDC02, BDC03, BCP, LCD key, encrypted chip, ICP copy key. Click BDC03 key, square main chip. Click read or read key data. Click OK. Click OK. Verify the original key info and take a screenshot to backup. Click OK. Note the backup file's path, date, time, VAN, and key ID. The file name must end up with the bin extension. Click OK. Read original key data finish. Click OK. According to the new key type, select the corresponding menu to proceed with writing. This video takes the new BDC3 key as an example. Replace the original car key with another BDC3 key. Click to write BDC3 key. Click OK. Important note, do not connect the original car key, as this may erase its data and cause key damage. Click OK. Verify the new key information. Click OK. Note the backup file's path, date, time, VAN, and key ID. The file name must end up with the bin extension. Click OK. Click OK, select original key data. Based on the date, time, VAN, and key ID, select the original key file ending with the bin extension. Check whether it is the original key info. Click OK. Write key data finish. Click OK. Assemble the original key and the new key. Get in the car and check if both the original key and the new key are working properly. Thank you for watching.